fans. This is going to be a short one. I got my car back in the spring, but it was raining the day I drove it last, and as you can see, it's threatening to rain right now. But I figure let's get a little bit of video of what this thing sounds like with the new exhaust, the top down, which I haven't been able to do. And I got it this morning. It was wet out, but now it's dry for the moment. So got a nice roar to her. Just figure I'd cut some video so y'all could hear what the Aluminator sounds like with the new exhaust. I'm just, all of this video is going to be with it shut to the quiet side of things. There's a loud side too, which just involves straight pipes out the side of the car, and it's absolutely throaty as all hell, but too loud. I can't really drive it through town without probably setting off car alarms and God knows what else, people trying to hide their women and children. So we're just going to drive it like this. I'm going to stop in the road here and get a nice launch. First gear, here we go. Approaching $7,000 in second gear. I shifted to fourth. That's absolutely riot of a sound. I just love it, the way it sounds and feels. Coming up on 25 years owning this car. In May, it'll be 25 years. I believe it was built in April of 2000. So you're riding in a 25-year-old car. And I just thought I would just play some music for you. But I just can't speak enough about how great the exhaust sounds. We're going to have another chance to wind it up here in a second. I'm running on bald tires. I've got a to-do to get the tires replaced on this car. I'm going to be real careful because the last time I replaced the tires was 8 years ago, and I've gotten definitely my mileage out of them. I probably put 35,000 miles on these tires alone. Here we go. Wind her up. That was just first and second. And I did hit 7,500 RPMs, and I wasn't flooring it. And I think you felt the car break loose. Literally spun the tires at probably 30 miles an hour, maybe faster. Just really happy. The Coyote motor has such a range, and when it's running low RPMs, it's pretty quiet. And when it opens those valves up, look out! It just sounds amazing. We got one more chance here to kind of play the music for you, so we'll do that here in a second. Go. I'm going to turn right and we'll wind her up just a little bit. Hopefully I won't wake up too many of my neighbors. It is afternoon after all, so it should be good. Here we go. I won't do too much here. Music. Let's downshift some. Sixth gear. Oh, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be some Barra footage here coming up. I'm starting to work on the Barra again. I've been talking to Zach Damru. He's a drifter. inspector that has turbo setup on his current Bear. I'm supposed to get his old turbo setup. That should be interesting. Thanks for any kind of likes or comments that you might make on this video. I appreciate it. And tune in. Thanks. Bye.